Hello friends, welcome to Gitbot video. OnePlus has finally launched the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7 in the Indian market. The OnePlus 7 Pro is the latest flagship smartphone from OnePlus, which retails in India with a starting price of 48,999 or 49,000. Today, let us look at the top features offered by the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro is the most expensive smartphone from OnePlus, which has some of the unique features that are not usually found on most of the flagship smartphones. The phone has a big 6.7-inch OLED display with QHD plus resolution, that is 2K, with a whopping 90Hz refresh rate that is usually found on gaming smartphones. And the display on the OnePlus 7 Pro has scored a whopping A+ grade rating on the DisplayMate benchmark. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, a 16 megapixel super wide angle lens with 117-degree field of view, and lastly an 8 megapixel telephoto lens which offers 3x optical zoom. The smartphone is fueled by a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with support for Warp Charge 30, which can charge the device from 0 to 60% in just 20 minutes, offering a day battery life by charging it for just 20 minutes. OnePlus 7 Pro will be available in 3 colors: Nebula Blue, Black and Almond. Other than the display and the camera, the OnePlus 7 Pro features the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 system on chipset with 6GB, 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 3.0 storage solution, which offers faster app opening speeds and faster read and write speed compared to any other smartphone with UFS 2.1 or eMMC storage solution. The smartphone runs on Android 9.5 with custom Oxygen OS skin on top, and OnePlus has promised that it will be one of the first smartphones to receive Android Q update when it is available. The OnePlus 7 Pro is a great flagship smartphone for the following reasons. To begin with the QHD plus display, it is the first OnePlus smartphone to do so. So is the triple rear camera setup as well. In fact, the OnePlus 7 Pro has scored a massive 111 points on DxOMark, which is the highest score for any OnePlus smartphone. Please wait, this is just the first impression of the OnePlus 7 Pro. In the coming days, we will be making a complete video for the full review of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So please stay tuned to Gitbot and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.